Murai bwense William Samuel Ruto ni gaomera no Prime Minister bwense ya Japan ni miyomucho Nairobi ase nyumba yobora State House okona kurense me Ruto ni gwamulekirane na muno amangana lengetobwa amatobu yagati yenseri ya Japan na boigone enseri ya Kenya na boni ko bate abuna mbagendere kubwatira na century ya mwaso gutinyobu amatobu obuna omulikeito Josephat Amisi agotomanya.
Omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto litiko lya lero natwalege ikaro kya bene no mu Prime Minister bwense Japan Fumio Kishida asa banyaraka bagukwanira mange anena yalengeta chinse chibere asa William Ruto anyareka bagakokera obwamatubu y'abanyaraka bokorekana gatiense ya Kenya nense ya Japan.
We do not take for granted Japan's huge investments and support for Kenya's geothermal power development through technology, capacity building and finance. We share with Japan the conviction that climate emergency requires substantial scaling up of financial flows to developing countries. On Africa, Kenya welcomes Japan's support for the implementation of the Africa Union's Agenda 2063.
Asense mayaye Fumio Kishida oyoromo Prime Minister bwense Japan boigo nigagokeire obukareri obuya bwense ya Kenya na boigo bwamatobuya obwanyareko bokorekana ase chinse chibere anene asobokoreri no boncholia ao ase chinse chibere.
To be able to see you for the first time. It is my first visit in 7 years since I participated in the TICAD 6 in Kenya as Foreign Minister of Japan. During this past 7 years, Japan-Kenya relationship has grown in leaps and bounds over a wide range of areas, including economy and investment. Our people-to-people exchange have become more multifaceted, and I'm very happy that our two countries are now tightly knit with a bond of friendship.
Igoro yogosira aneno goncholia kwelire mense ya Kenya na Afrika sobwamo. William Ruto nigagokeire igitambo kergense ya Japan asokureni beisaine na boigogosira ogoncholia kwelire imeyense ya Kenya.
His Excellency Prime Minister Kishida and I noted the significance of the 60th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Kenya and Japan. In the past 6 decades, the two countries have successfully collaborated on highly impactful undertakings in many sectors. At this critical milestone, we consider the vast scope of current and prospective engagements between Kenya and Japan and accordingly resolved to pursue resolution of outstanding issues in greater detail.
Engwana igoro molembe imeyense ya Sudan boigonigo nyaraka bukwanirwa bene as William Ruto atebire ense Japan chikobage kwenekya nganyarwe kobage gosira ense ya Kenya na boigo obumo bwa Afrika elio kwenekya buna omolembe nyareka bukwerena imeyense ya Sudan.
His Excellency and I also discussed the situation in Sudan, and we underscored the need for the international community to support Kenya, IGAD, and the Africa Union in ongoing diplomatic efforts to resolve the conflict. We further agreed to call for a cessation of hostilities immediately without preconditions, assure the safety of civilians, including diplomatic and humanitarian personnel, and allow safe passage of humanitarian assistance and the safe movement of people seeking security.
Asense mayaye Fumio Kishida niko bigo enekeirie ogosira kwa bene gochia sense ya Kenya gati yabo okoenekia buna ense ya Kenya nyareko biko igora obonchoreri bwaye gochia ase ense ya Japan.
The hub for the upgrading of ICT base in Africa, and I have recognized the importance of strengthening and promoting the business and investment relations between Japan and Kenya. Japan emphasizes investment in people. In order to advance the levels of the industries in Kenya, we affirmed our cooperation to promote the cultivation of industrial human resources together.
Gati abali banyarako bagwikirana ase gikarekyo no mukonyi bo murai bwense Rigathi Gachagua mu cabinet Prime Minister Musalia Mudavadi na boigo amawaziri kurwa ase chiwizara au kuripotiri gataseni Ndizi TV kurwe county ya Kisii eliterana Josephat